Hello and good morning if you're watching this right when I post it. Today is December 20th, and I just wanted to invite you to something that I'm very excited about. Me and a good friend, Andrew Miller, are going to be hosting a 2025 Vision and Strategy session. We are titling it Biz Breakthrough 2025, Install the OSO Method to Make Your Goals Inevitable. Basically, this time is just a moment where business owners can get together, and I'll be walking you through the structure of how to plan out your 2025, identify bottlenecks, figure out how to get your business to be more efficient than it ever has so that you can free up the time to do what you want, whether that's, scaling the business or spending time with the grandkids. So if that's something that interests you, definitely go to osoefficient.com/2025. I'll have the link right here. There you go. And check it out. I would love to see you there. Also, today is my birthday, so I guess the best birthday gift that you can give me is just come and hang out with me on the 27th. So Friday, the 27th at 10 Mountain, 12 Eastern. You can do the math for the other two, and I look forward to seeing you there. All right, let's make 2025 the best year yet. See ya.